ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by company OpenAI that has been in the news lately because it's going to take our jobs. And because of some enterprising students using it to do their homework. That is until this wet blanket of a human being ruined it for everyone. So I wanted to see, what can ChatGPT do? Can it replace me? The short answer is no, at least not yet. But after playing around with it for a few days, I figured out 4 ChatGPT marketing hacks you can use today. Oh, and just for fun, I had ChatGPT write a full segment of this video. See if you can figure it out before I reveal it at the end. All right, let's do this. AI is not a new thing. Tons of companies all over the globe have successfully implemented AI technology in different ways. Just to name a few, e-commerce giant Amazon and poor quality clothing company H&M both use AI to personalize and recommend products to buyers on their websites and mobile apps. Both companies reported increased sales and customer satisfaction as a result. Coca-Cola used AI to analyze social media data and gain insights into how people felt about their brand. They reported a significant improvement in online engagement from customers. Sephora's AI tool, the Virtual Artist, provides online customers with an interactive and realistic way to try on makeup. These are all enormous corporations with deep pockets. So how is it relevant to you? Because with the release of ChatGPT, anyone can use AI to help with their marketing efforts, whether they're a small business owner or a tech executive that doesn't know how to spell. Anyway, I chose 2 quick and easy hacks and 2 more complicated ways you can use ChatGPT in your marketing. Number 1, and the most obvious way, is to use ChatGPT for your content creation. With a little bit of training, ChatGPT can help generate high quality, engaging content designed specifically for your target audience. And by high quality, I mean a bunch of words strung together in a way that kind of makes sense. For example, if you run a fitness blog, ChatGPT can, in a matter of seconds, do the research and create blog posts for you that share tips on healthy living, workout routines, and nutrition. I did that for this very video, and you'll be able to judge the quality for yourself when I reveal which portion of this video was actually written by ChatGPT. Number 2, keywords. ChatGPT can also be used for keyword research. It can help you identify words that are relevant to your business for your ad targeting and search engine optimization. SEO. For example, if you run a travel agency, ChatGPT can help you identify keywords like best travel destinations, affordable travel deals, and vacation packages. You can use these keywords in your website content or in your keyword bidding strategies on search ads. For fun, I asked ChatGPT to identify the keywords related to Keenan Thinks YouTube channel, and here are the top 3: philosophy, ethics, and morality. Either I'm doing something wrong or ChatGPT needs to get its shit together. YouTube aside, it's a very effective tool for analyzing your website content and drawing out specific keywords. All right, try it for yourself today and let me know what keywords ChatGPT revealed for your online presence in the comments below. I'm curious. Number 3, ChatGPT can give you insight into your customers. Now we're getting into more complex functionality here, but ChatGPT can help you gain really valuable insight into customer preferences, opinions, and behaviors. For example, if you run a restaurant, ChatGPT can help you analyze customer reviews, identify popular menu items, or areas that you can improve your restaurant. It can even tell you how satisfied your customers are. It'll be able to tell you if your food tastes like cardboard, Applebee's. ChatGPT can give you insights into how your customers view your business by analyzing things like social media, customer reviews, and identifying main topics discussed across the different platforms. It's really cool, but it comes with a caveat. You'll have to manually gather this data and pre-process it a bit before you can use ChatGPT on it. You can literally ask ChatGPT and it'll give you all the steps that you need to take. And number 4, you can use ChatGPT to analyze your competitors. You can use it to see what their marketing strategies are, and the benefit is you can use it to figure out what's working and how you can copy them, because nothing says innovation like copying what everybody else is doing. Even better, you can use this information to actually differentiate your business in the marketplace. For example, if you own a clothing store, ChatGPT can help you research your competitors' products, offerings, pricing, and promotional strategies. You can use this information to identify ways you can stand out and attract more customers in the future. Now, what are the benefits of using ChatGPT over human labor for marketing tasks? One major benefit is efficiency. ChatGPT can process and analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the time and effort it requires to complete marketing tasks. Because who wouldn't want to save time and effort unless it actually means speaking to a real customer? Another benefit is consistency. ChatGPT can produce high quality, consistent content that adheres to your brand guidelines and messaging without the potential for human error. Because robots never make mistakes, right? Using ChatGPT for marketing tasks can also be cost-effective, as it can perform many tasks at a fraction of the cost of human labor. Because who doesn't love cutting costs by replacing their employees with machines? In addition, ChatGPT is scalable and able to handle a high volume of tasks and interactions, making it an ideal solution for businesses that need to reach a large audience or handle a large volume of customer inquiries. Because the more robots, the better, right? In reality, I don't think AI like ChatGPT is going to replace anybody's job. What it will do, and what it's doing for me, is providing me with support, it's giving me a place to bounce ideas off of, it's helping me conduct research more efficiently, and it's helping me increase my output in general. The technology is not designed to replace humans, it's designed to free us. I'll let ChatGPT explain this to you in its own words.
As a language model AI, I'm designed to assist and augment human capabilities. AI like me complements the skills and expertise of human workers, rather than replacing them.
Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what portion of this video was written by ChatGPT, it was the whole section about the benefits of using it. ChatGPT even wrote the sarcastic bits, you guys. Holy shit. There, now you're an expert. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider liking and subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below. Cool, thanks.